In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of anything in Photoshop. This is a handy skill if you want to experiment with different color schemes or just want to make your photos pop with a new color. Whether you're a beginner or looking to brush up on your Photoshop skills, you'll find this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to have your image ready to work with in Photoshop. If you haven't already done so, open Photoshop and load your image by either dragging and dropping it into the workspace or by clicking File, then Open and selecting your image from your computer. With your image open in the workspace, you're ready for the next step. Next, we'll head over to the Adjustments panel. If this panel isn't showing, you can bring it up by clicking on Window in the top menu and then selecting Adjustments. In this panel, you'll see various icons for different adjustment layers. What we're interested in is the hue saturation adjustment. It's usually displayed as a small icon resembling a gradient scale. Click on it to create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Now that we have our hue saturation adjustment layer, let's make sure it's active. If everything is set up correctly, you'll notice a new properties panel specific to this adjustment layer appearing on the right side. In this properties panel, you'll find a little hand icon with arrows pointing left and right. This handy tool allows you to target specific hues in your image easily. Give it a click. With the hand icon selected, move your cursor back to your image and hover over the color you wish to change. Click on that color, and you'll notice that Photoshop automatically selects the hue range that includes the color you clicked on. This feature is particularly useful for making targeted adjustments without affecting the entire image. Now let's adjust the color of the selected hue. In the Hue Saturation Properties panel, you'll see three sliders labeled Hue, Saturation, and Lightness. Adjust the Hue slider to change the color itself. Moving this slider will cycle the selected hue through the color spectrum, allowing you to find the perfect new color for your element. If you want your color to be more vibrant or subdued, use the Saturation slider to increase or decrease the color intensity. For brightness adjustments, use the Lightness slider to either brighten or darken your color. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you've successfully changed the color of anything in your image using Photoshop. This technique can be applied to all sorts of projects, helping you achieve the exact look you want. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at using these tools to enhance your photos creatively. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.